This is a little video I put together to demonstrate TDD using JKI's Caraya testing framework. We will use the alarms kata. Here I have the kata description open on the right. We're just going to write a simple program to generate a text alarm if the value deviates from a set point. If it is over 5% deviation, we get a warning, and over 10% we get an alarm. So we've got a new project and a VI open. We're going to write our test first, so this VI is going to be our test. So let's go ahead and save it as test_alarm. Once it is saved, let's open QuickDrop. If we type in new test, we can drop the VIs necessary for a new Caraya test. Since the VI we are testing doesn't exist yet, I like to drop a sequence structure here to represent it. Once I set the test up, then I will turn the sequence structure into a sub-VI, and that will be the VI that we are going to test. Now that I have that done, let's run the test to verify that it fails. This is the red step of red-green refactor. Now let's save this test with a more descriptive name. Let's select our sequence structure and create a sub-VI out of it, and save that sub-VI as alarm calc. This will be the VI we are testing. For now, let's just hard code the value. Don't worry, it won't stay that way for long. We'll have to change it as soon as we add another test. The goal is to get a passing test as quickly as possible. This is the green step of red-green refactor. Let's just take a second and adjust our test to take an array of in-range values by adding a for loop. Let's run our test out to make sure it passes, and we have hit our green step. There is nothing to really refactor here yet, except maybe the comment for our test. After refactoring, rerun our test just to make sure. Let's start our next test by doing save as on our existing test and renaming it. Let's update our test vector and our expected results. Then Control-Space, Control-U to run our test and watch it fail, and that is our red step. Now let's actually write our production code in order to make the test pass. Let's watch it pass for our green step. We have nothing to refactor yet. Let's create another test using save as again. Let's modify our test vector and results. Let's watch the test fail for the red step of our red-green refactor. Now let's do the simplest thing that might work so that we can quickly get to green. And run our test to prove that it all works. We've got a lot of duplicate code here, so let's refactor. Let's reorganize things and create a sub-VI. Let's clean up that sub-VI. Let's clean up the calling code now. Let's run our tests again. Now let's add another copy of our sub-VI and wire it up and clean everything up. Run our tests again to make sure everything passes, and we are done.